There is a lot of confusion when it comes to a trading plan or a trading strategy. You see, when it comes to a trading plan or a trading strategy, there is a lot of confusion. Even when I speak to most of my subscribers, most of them don't understand the difference between a trading plan and a trading strategy. Until you are able to understand the difference between a trading plan and a trading strategy, there you'll be able to know how to develop a good trading strategy, or you'll be able to develop a good trading plan. So on today's video, we're going to be covering the difference between a trading plan and a trading strategy, and how you can be able to set up a good trading strategy and a trading plan, so that at the end of the day, when you incorporate all of this and put all the puzzles together, you'll be able to become a profitable Forex trader, or you'll be able to move from the professional Forex trader quadrant to a profitable Forex trader quadrant, where you'll be making money in Forex trading on a daily basis. So if that is something you might want to see today, or if that is something which you want to watch, then make sure you smash the like button below, and let's get into the video. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ndela Zegolov, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, business, personal finance, crypto, and tips to help you stay profitable on a Forex or on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button below, so that you can always be updated once I come up with awesome content like this. So what are we going to be covering on today's video? We're just going to be covering the differences between a trading plan and a trading strategy. All right, the differences between a trading plan and a trading strategy. These are two different things, and the two most important factors when it comes to being a profitable Forex trader, or when it comes to moving from a professional Forex trader to being a profitable Forex trader. Remember, professionalism just comes with knowledge. All right, professionalism just comes with knowledge, while profitability comes with consistency. All right, for you to be able to call yourself a professional, you just need knowledge about that particular field. So at this level of the advanced course, at the advanced level of the course as we are now, you are already a professional Forex trader. You can be certified as a profitable Forex trader. But being certified as a Forex trader doesn't guarantee you're going to make any money. All right, professionalism is not going to put money on your table. What is going to put money on your table is profitability, and profitability comes with consistency and experience. That is why we're coming up with this topic, which is the difference between a trading plan and a trading strategy. Good. So let's talk about a trading plan and a trading strategy. I'm not good at drawing, but let me just draw something. Let me start with this. Let me start with this. Let me just draw. I think this is how you can draw a car. I think, yes, this is how you can draw a car, right? So let's just have this. Good. So you can see here we have our car. I wish I know how to draw this thing again. Okay. So you can see here we have our car, right? We have our car right here. Good. Good. So you can see, yes, my Lamborghini Aventador or my Lamborghini Hurricane or whatsoever. So this is my Lamborghini, and the explanation of this my Lamborghini will help you to understand the difference between a trading plan and a trading strategy. The whole of the car, the body of the car that encompasses or that encloses the engine, the radiator, the gearbox and everything. The body of the car is the same thing, is what we call the trading, is the same thing as a trading plan. A trading plan, all right? Is the same thing as a trading plan. The whole body of the car, which has the engine, the steering, the gearbox, every other thing is what they call a trading plan. And then inside this car, obviously you have the engine. The engine of the car now is what we call a trading strategy. A trading strategy. All right, so the engine of the car is what we call a trading strategy. So you see, a trading strategy is part of a trading plan. Without a trading strategy, a trading plan won't succeed. All right, without a trading strategy, a trading plan, there is no way a trading plan will succeed. And if you have a trading plan without a good trading strategy that is working, the car won't move, the trading plan won't work. Does it make sense? That is just a simple explanation. Even if you have to read the next 100 pages on the internet talking about the trading plan and the trading strategy, that is just an example. That is just the main thing. That is just the most simple explanation you will ever see on the internet. They say the trading strategy is just part of a trading plan. All right? The trading strategy is what will fuel up, is what will make the car, is what will make the car to work, is the engine of the car. All right? While your trading plan now is the whole body of the car that carries the engine. Perfect. So I hope you've understood that. Let's go here, or even if I have to cancel this, and I go here and I have to draw something like this, and I draw something like this. The whole of this first circle, will be our trading plan. Our trading plan, while this other small circle inside will be our trading strategy. Can you see this? So this first circle constitute our trading plan, while the second circle constitute our trading strategy. So you see, a trading strategy is part of a trading plan, and without a trading plan, without a trading strategy, a trading plan won't work. And a trading plan without a trading strategy, you can't call that a solid or a rock solid trading strategy, all right, or trading plan. Sorry. Perfect. Let's go to the next slide where we're talking about. Let's balance this up. So tips. Let me clean this up. Perfect. Let's talk about tips on how. Let me change this. I think I just got it. Good. Let's talk about tips. Tips on how to come out with a good strategy. Guys, please focus on this very well. Because if you are able to understand this, trust me, if you are able to understand this, to be able to put these 4 factors into any trading strategy you have, trust me, that trading strategy will be a profitable one. So stick with me, please, and pay attention to this. For you to be able to have any profitable and any solid, remember I said any profitable and any solid trading strategy, your trading strategy must have these 4 things, which is known as REST. R-E-S-T. The first arrow stands for, let me put this. Good. All right. So the first arrow stands for the reason. The reason. All right. So any strategy you have, either it's a fundamental strategy, technical strategy, I think price action strategy or whatsoever, you must follow this structure. The first arrow we have on this particular system is what we call arrow. Arrow stands for the reason. What is the reason why you are getting into that trade? Or what is the reason why you'll be using that strategy to trade? Maybe the reason is just you're going to be using support and resistance, or you're going to be using channel lines, or if you are trading fundamental, maybe the reason is going to be anytime there's a particular news, you're going to be able to use buy and sell stops, because you know obviously if the news is higher, it's going to be the demand and supply is going to be affected. Maybe that's your reason for using that strategy. The next point on our list is what we call E, which stands for the entry. The entry. So after having the reason, after you've had the reason for getting into that trade, how will you get into that trade? Remember, a good trading strategy, you must know the how, the when, the how and the when. The how and the when you'll be using that particular strategy. So since you already know the reason for using that strategy, how will you be using or how will you enter into that trade? That will tell you now your entries. Maybe your entries now you're gonna buy at every support and sell at every resistance. Or you're gonna use a buy stop or a sell stop before the news is released. That is your entry. You are already analyzing and looking for your entries before the news is even released. Then your T stands for your target. So after you've had your reason for using that strategy, you've had your entries. Now on T stands for your target. Where are your targets going to be? Where are you going to be placing? Where are you going to be placing your target? All right. Where are you going to be placing your stop loss? Where are you going to be placing your buy stop? And if the trade goes your way, do you plan to use trailing stops and all of that? That now we're talking about. We're talking about what? We're talking about target. And the next point, or S, stands for your stops. All right, stands for your stops. So where will you place your stops? Where will you be able to how much will you be able to risk, so that if the trade doesn't go your way, you won't kill yourself? How much can you comfortably lose, or how much can you comfortably risk? That now comes under stops. That will enable you to know where to place your stop loss, where to place your take profit, and all of that. There is a video on the channel that talks about the quadrant of a profitable forex trader. I think you can check this video. Talks clearly about the quadrant of a profitable forex trader. So if you haven't watched the video, make sure you go on the channel and watch that video. It explains this very, very, very clearly. All right, so that is how you are able to come up with a good any strategy in forex trading. Any strategy must have this rest, the reason, the entry, the target, and the stops. So long as you are able to define your reasoning, your entries, the target, and your stop, trust me, your strategy is going to be a very solid, firm strategy. Perfect. Now let's go to tips on how to come out with a good trading plan. Remember, as we said earlier, a trading plan is an that embodies a trading strategy. So a trading strategy is part of a trading plan. We've already spoken on how to come up with a good trading plan, which we've mentioned REST, R-E-S-T, right? We mentioned REST. REST will enable you to come out with a good trading strategy, which a good trading strategy is part of a trading plan. Now, how do you come up with a good trading plan? We already have videos on the channel that guide you on how to come out with a good trading plan. But just to add to it, your trading plan must be able to define what market you are going to trade. So your trading plan should define very, very clearly what market you are going to trade. How will you assess the market? So what strategy will you be using? Strategy is part of a trading plan. So how will you be assessing the market? And then what tools will you be using to trade? What tools will you be, which broker, which software, which website? So talking about tools, then who will you use to trade? We're talking about the broker. How much capital can you risk for trading, or how much can you afford to lose? How much can you afford to risk? All right. So that is something you also answer. Then what is your risk tolerance? All right. What is your risk appetite? What is your risk appetite? These questions must be answered in any trading plan, and this is just part of the 20 questions that must be answered in your trading plan. If you want to watch the video that shows you the 20 questions that must be answered in your trading plan, make sure you check this other video which explains everything that has to be found or that must be answered in your trading plan. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Those are differences between a trading plan and a trading strategy. And once you're able to understand these differences, you'll be able to set a good trading strategy. And with that good trading strategy, you'll be able to come up with a good trading plan that will guide that trading strategy to success. So if you want to be able to hear from me one-on-one, make sure you check the Patreon link below. The Patreon link below, with Patreon, you'll be able to have access to Discord. On Discord, you'll be able to hear from me one-on-one. You also be able to have we'll be able to do market analysis, Forex analysis. You'll be able to share ideas with thousands of Forex traders who are on my Discord, and they are sharing ideas on a daily basis. Make sure you also smash the like button on the video. Let's get the video to at least 5,000 likes, guys. Make sure you smash the like button on the video. And if you want to use the same broker I use, make sure you check the link below to use the same broker I use. Feel free to add me on Instagram, and also watch the next videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen, because they are all related to the same topic. So till then, I'm going to be able to see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.